All right, now we're going to go ahead and make a badge magnet. And a badge magnet is like a button, except instead of a pin, it uses a magnet that you put inside of your shirt so that you don't have to pierce your clothing. To do that, we're going to use a shell graphic, Mylar, unpinned back, which is just like a button back, only the pin is removed, and a badge magnet. All right, we'll start with the pickup die facing us. Put the shell into the pickup die, smooth side up. Put the graphic on top of the shell, right side up, so you can read it. The Mylar goes on top of the graphic. Rotate the die table around. Put in the unpinned back, sharp side up. Pull the handle all the way down. Rotate the die table around, pull the handle down again. Remove the button from the machine, and we will adhere the badge magnet. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at www.buttonmakers.net for more tips, tricks, and crafty ideas. See you there.